Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear viewers. Welcome back to Technology Hub by Talha once again. Firstly, what's the concept of pointers now? So actually pointers stores the address of some other variable. Okay? It's just like if we are using some integer type variable and we have the address of that variable. Okay? And then we have to assign that variable address into some pointer. And it's just like this. If we are using the variable a and having the value 20 and having some address. Okay, so that address will be assigned to some pointer, that is pointer p, and if we declare that pointer, we are declaring it with the help of static p. Okay, after the concept of pointer, now we are moving towards pointer to pointer. Okay, so pointer to pointer concept is, that means pointer having the address stores the address of something, and if we are using that address of some pointers, okay, then we are using with the help of static pointer. That means pointer to pointer. So we can access the address of some pointer, okay, with the help of pointer to pointer. Through visualization, it's very easy for you. It's just like if we are using the variable a and having the value 20. Now suppose it's necessarily having some address in the memory, okay, it's just like this, and a having the some address. Okay, for holding that address of a, we can use the pointer, that means like static p1. Okay, so static p1 is the pointer that holds the address of variable a, and static p1 it also having some own address, okay, the address of p1. For that address storing, we can using the pointer to pointer concept. So we can store the address of pointer 1 into some pointer to pointer. It's just like static p2. Okay, so static p2 contains the address of pointer 1 and it also having some address, and this will be the chain pointer to pointers. So if we are critically evaluate this, it's mean we are talking about the static p1, that is the pointer to variable. That means that's the pointer p1, okay, that contains the address of some variable, and like a variable a's address. And the other hand, if we are talking about this static p2, that means we are talking about now the pointer to pointer concept. Okay, so this is the pointer to pointer, that means the pointer 2 having the address of some other pointer, that is pointer's p1 address. So pointer p1, that is the pointer to variable, and if we are talking about the static p2, that means we are talking about the pointer to pointer, so the pointer having the address of some other pointer. And now we can visualize it within the memory structure in the computer, and it's just like this. If we are using this memory spaces, okay, for some variable a and for the pointer p1 and for the pointer static p2. Okay, so this is the memory structure here. So basic purpose of the pointer to pointer is, through pointer to pointer static p, we can access the address of pointer p1, okay, and through pointer p1 we can access the value of a with the help of variable a as well, with the help of pointer p1 as well, and again with the help of static p2 as well. Okay, so we can access the variable a's value with the help of a, with the help of p1, or as well as with the help of p2. Got it? How we can code it? Let's move towards the code. If we are declaring int a equals 20, that means we are declaring the variable a having some value, that is 20. So variable a having some value 20 and it also having some address now. Okay, we can assign that address into some pointer. So let's see, we are having the integer static p1, that means we are having the pointer static p1, okay, and what's the type of it? Integer. That means that pointer p1 can hold the address of some integer type value. Okay, so in the next statement we are having the and a, that means the address of a, and we are assigning it into the pointer p1 with the help of p1 equals to and a. That means we are assigning the address of a into the pointer p1, and now we can change the value of a with the help of pointer as well. Now it's just like if we are using this statement, static p1 equals 30. That means 30 will be placed on that address, okay, and the address of this pointer on the address of variable a, it's same. So the same location, the value will be updated, that is 30 now. And after that, if we are using the static p2, another pointer to pointer concept now, that means with the help of this pointer to pointer concept, we can assign the address of some pointer into this pointer. And now if we are using this statement, that is p2 equals and p1, that means we are assigning the pointers one's address into some pointer 2. Okay, that means once again we can access this location with the help of a, as well as with the help of pointer 1, as well as with the help of pointer to pointer, that is p2 as well now. So we can easily say that if we are using static p2 equals 40, then it means we are updated once again, that will be placed on the same location. Okay, so the updated value on that location is now the 40. So actually how it works, it's just like if you are using this memory structure. Okay, just visualize the memory structure in your mind. That is, we can access the value of a with the help of a, or with the help of pointer p1, okay, or with the help of pointer p2 as well, because pointer 2 itself having the address of p1 and p1 having the address of a. So after this visualization of the memory structure and after the coding structures, okay, and then now we are moving towards the real code here. Okay, so let's move towards some compiler. So we are having this code, the same code here. Okay, so what will be the output of it? So let's move towards this program, it having the header files, and after header files we have to declare the variable a and initialize the value that will be 20. And then we are using the pointer concept here, pointer to variable. Okay, and after that we are using the and a, then we will assign the address of a into some pointer, that is p1, and after that the 30 will be assigned on that location with the help of static p1 equals 30. And then after that once again we are updating that value with the help of pointer to pointer now. And with the help of pointer to pointer means if we are using now int static p2, that is pointer to pointer concept. Okay, and then we can assign the address of some pointer into this pointer now. So we are having the and p1 and we are assigning that value into the p2, okay, the pointer to pointer. And then once again through pointer to pointer concept we can also access or change some value here. It's just like static p2 equals 40. So the same location we are having the 20 firstly, and after that we are putting 30 on that location with the help of pointer 1, and after that we are putting 40 on that location with the help of pointer to pointer concept, that is with the help of p2 now. So the updated value on that location, same location, is 40. So if we are displaying a, that will be displayed the 40. If we are displaying the static p1, once again the displayed will be 40. And after that once again if we are talking about the static p2, so once again we are displaying the 40. So if we run this, okay, I will compile it. So what will be the updated value? The updated value is 40 now. Okay, so 40 will be displayed here with the help of a, as well as with the help of static p1, as well as with the help of static p2. So that's the whole story of the pointer to pointer concept. Okay, so I hope you understand it very easily. Thank you so much for watching.